FlexHead, the fastest, most reliable product used by fire sprinkler contractors on commercial projects. It eliminates hard-piped arm-overs from the branch line to the sprinkler head by using flexible sprinkler hose fittings. Traditional hard-pipe installations are time-consuming. They require dragging a pipe threading machine around, cutting each black iron pipe to length, threading each connection, and a lot of messy cleanup. Typical sprinkler fit-ups are slow, labor-intensive, and costly. It's one of the toughest challenges in commercial fire protection because it comes at the end of a job when you face tight deadlines and the worst time pressures. Before FlexHead, deadlines were tough. Now sprinkler installation is this simple. Attach, connect, secure, done. Only with FlexHead, the fastest, most reliable flexible sprinkler hose fitting installation ever. Now available for more applications so you can meet code requirements in hospitals, sprinkler fast-track college and university buildings, add function and style to hotels, and save time on any other commercial jobs. At rough-in, just install a FlexHead connector. At fit-up, install the bracket on the T-bar and connect the flexible connector into the bracket and drive the installation screws for a perfect installation every time. You'll cut labor by about 80% and save a lot of time when you need it most, at the end of the job. Just how much time does FlexHead take to install? Let's compare FlexHead with traditional fit-up using Hardpipe. Are you ready? The installation on the left was done using Hardpipe. The installation on the right is FlexHead. Now even apprentices can install as quickly and consistently as experienced journeymen. That means the pros can move on to the next project. Fire protection contractors love FlexHead because it's much easier on their knees, fingers, and backs, especially when sprinkler heads are high up in a ceiling. Let's take a look at some of the design features that make a FlexHead installation so fast, consistent, and reliable. The FlexHead connector is patented, FM approved, and UL listed, and is available with hose lengths from 2 to 6 feet. They are fully welded and made of 100% stainless steel, so you get excellent mechanical and fire protection performance. When you hear the brackets snap onto the ceiling, you'll be certain the connection is strong and reliable each and every time. If you need to relocate a FlexHead, just take the pressure off the system and move the device to its new location. It's that easy. Installation is always simple with FlexHead, and it greatly increases productivity. FlexHead is ideal for all commercial applications like hospitals, schools, office buildings, and retail space. It's also ideal for hotels and casinos where construction timelines are cut. So now you see how FlexHead performed. But there is still a lot of work to do on the standard hardpipe installation. In fact, you can easily complete 5 FlexHead installations in less time than it would take to do 1 conventional installation. Once FlexHead connectors are installed, you can have peace of mind that the property is safe. Have a hospital job? FlexHead is one of the most robust and flexible designs on the market. The elbow-style connector is perfect for tight spaces where installations are difficult. Our patented technology makes installation and maintenance much easier than ever before, and we offer FlexHead options for every project. These rugged designs are built with innovative technology that attaches the connector for remarkable rigidity and structural integrity. And all our FlexHead products use similar connectors. Sprinkler fit-ups that are impossible to beat for speed and accuracy. Installation that virtually eliminates callbacks. Construction that's ready to stand up to year after year of constant use. Relocation and maintenance that's always fast, safe, and easy. It's the productivity solution you've been waiting for. Try FlexHead. It's proven to beat deadlines and has cut installation costs throughout the country. Call FlexHead today for more information at 1-800-829-6975 or visit our website at www.flexhead.com.